Hi, we're the Royston Club.
Hey, I'm Cara Hammond.
Yo, I am Mace The Great.
We are Bandicoot.
Hi, we're the school.
I'm from a band called Buzzard Buzzard Buzzard.
Austin, Texas, South by Southwest, 2022. Focus Wales, yo.
It feels like a bit of a bucket list, you know.
Massive opportunity, especially for someone like us.
Yeah.
To get this opportunity to come out to America.
There's such an affection, especially here, for music, and how you get treated as a musician is completely different to anywhere else you've been in the world. So it's very exciting to be here for sure.
To meet all these the industry connections, to showcase Wales, it's to export Welsh music. It's so important.
Well, I mean, South by is a huge deal, really. Like, it's somewhere we've always wanted to play personally, and you know, the fact that Welsh artists are being involved in this is just like huge for Wales, well, Welsh music in general.
It feels amazing to be able to do this again after such a long pause in everything. For the artists, it's such a big opportunity in their career development.
Anybody who's in a band has to have like South by on their list of things they want to do.
If you told us 2 years ago that we'd be here, it would be...
You never would have believed
like,
it.
We really just can't believe it.
It is honestly a chance of a lifetime, and I know that might sound a bit cheesy, but it is so true, and I just honestly feel so special coming out here, especially to be alongside the other Focus Wales acts this year. Like, they are incredible.
Thanks for being here, everyone.
Yeah, we loved the venue Swan Dive and such a great lineup to see all the Welsh artists playing Team Wales. Yeah, go Team Wales.
Incredible. It was so much fun. All the acts just played their hearts out. There were loads of delegates in the room. There was queues down the street. Everyone had a great time. We've all lost our voices.
You know, the pandemic, like it did for a lot of artists, it really derailed their plans. And, you know, it's been really heartening to see them come out here this year and to do so well, really, to have such demand for what they're doing.
We had a chance to come in 2020, but that was kind of like swiftly taken away because of you know who and all that stuff. So it feels good to finally be here. It's everything I thought it would be and more.
It's so important to have a really eclectic mix of musicians here to represent Wales, because that's what's happening in Wales. We do have a really eclectic music scene, and it's nice to come here and bring a selection from all different genres, all different communities, and show the world what we're doing in Wales.
For me, being the first black artist from Wales to go to Texas for South by Southwest, it's an honour. It's a pleasure to be here, and hopefully I'm the first of many down the line. Hopefully I've opened the door for other artists like myself from Wales to come out here and do the same thing.
It's so important that Wales is a presence at an event like this. But significantly, South by Southwest, it's the biggest gathering of the music industry on the planet. Wales has to be here.
We're converting fans out here.